Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I understood the question on Facebook. This is what they're wanting to do to cut out this cat inside this heart. Well, both the pictures that they sent are bitmaps or pictures, and you can't do anything about it until you vectorize it. So I'm just going to bring in the yellow box and bring it to the background. You can see the white background and the non-fill background. So we're going to do the heart first. I'm not going to change the size because it's just black and white, pretty easy. Bitmap trace, and I keep using this, and I ought to really use this because this is where yours are going to be in a later version. So it happened that quick, it's done. Let's make our yellow box a little bit bigger. And as always, your trace version will be on top. Then all you have to do is go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and you can actually grab that white and just delete it. And please delete it. Don't do this because it's there and you can't see it. Might cause you a problem later. Then take the cat. It's 13 inches tall, but I'm not going to change anything. Normally smaller is better, but in this case, because it's just basically an outline, it's going to take just a second. It's there. Normally your trace copy will be on top, and as you can see it is. Go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then grab that black cat. Then you can get rid of all this. My calculator is right near my delete key. So you've got a cat silhouette and a heart silhouette, which you could draw on. You know, anybody could draw a heart with the basic shape tools. Common shapes in later versions. Whoop. It would help if you grab the heart shape. So anybody could have drawn this heart and had a vector, but we went with the photograph she posted or they posted. So then just make your heart bigger and then take both of them and left click, right click. And all I did was take out the fill and add a. So I'm going to actually try using the P key and P key, and then I can make the cat a little bit smaller and make the P key. And the P key in this case isn't going to work, which puts it in the center of the page. And that all depends on how. So then I would set my nudge factor pretty low, maybe not that low, 0.01. Grab the cat and just nudge it over a little bit, depending on where all you want it. And it's still going to probably be a little bit big, but we'll make it a little bit smaller. And then depending, I think they want to cut it out. So just left click, make it a hairline. So this will cut out, and you can always prove that by taking the Smart Fill tool and filling that out. So that's what the piece of wood or whatever you're going to cut out will look like. We could actually make it a wood color, kind of, sort of. So the cat's going to be cut out. Now, in this case, this would be a pretty cool, let's do this. This is what I would do if I was going to do this and I'm going to cut it out. Instead of having a blank cat or just, a hollow one, let's make a plus sign. And I would cut this out of two different kinds of wood. And let's say we're going to take the first cat. So this is not what they're asking for, but we're going to cut it out of this brown wood. And then the cat that's going to fall out of there is going to look like that. And then out of another piece of wood, and then just reverse them. And let's say it's a dark wood. Well, that's pretty much black. You would two different looking, instead of having the cat just fall out, use the cat that's going to fall out from one and put it in the other. And if you really got into it, then you'd want to contour the cat a little bit so when you glue them together or whatever, you won't have such a line. And there's plenty of videos I have on that. Anyway, I hope, and also it is a traced heart, so you would need to get rid of some of these little, a lot of times you're going to have a square, that'd be better, why it'd be better just to draw your own heart. A lot of times in the picture, it was blocked in by the white box, so you're going to get some square parts. Anyway, I hope that answered their question. Thank you for watching.